Hi everyone, in this lesson we will go over two types of graphs, linear and nonlinear graphs. So let's begin with linear equations. We have two types that we will focus on today. One is called the decreasing linear pattern, which will be a line that runs down. If you read what the piggy says, whoa, this is easy when the slope is negative. Downhill, baby. So guess what? Decreasing linear pattern is also known as a negative slope, which is a more advanced word that you'll learn next year. And something extra that you should notice is that negative slope also has a negative correlation, meaning that when one variable increases, the other variable decreases. So what exactly does that mean? Notice how as you go forward with the number increasing, the number goes down to meet together. And as you go further, notice how the number just keep on going further down. Now, increasing linear pattern. Let's take a look at the picture first. It is a line that's running uphill, and as the piggy says, I wish there's an escalator. What a workout when the slope is positive. So as you can hear, it will be a positive slope, meaning that the line is running up, which will create a positive correlation where both variables increase together. As you go further to the right, the number increases higher. So that's what it means by both numbers increase together. Now to just go a little bit deeper to get you more ready for next year, these two also shows a constant rate of change, which basically means creating a straight line. And when you write an equation for the line, it will be in the form of y equals mx plus b. The equation for this line will be y equals to negative x, which the negative shows that the line is decreasing. And this line on the right will be y equals to x, a positive x because the line is increasing. Nonlinear graph, which we will focus on quadratic equation. We have two types that we will focus on today. One is curving down, which would have a maximum value at this point, meaning the highest point. And the other one is curving up. So guess what? This one would have a minimum value at this point right here. So something interesting about quadratic equation is that there is a matching point every step of the way besides the maximum and minimum point. So let's say that I want to pick the one right here at 40. There will also be another point at 40 right here. Let's say that I want to pick a point at 3 for 100. There will be another point for 100 on the other side, which these are the matching pairs and it's throughout the picture. And if you draw a line down this picture, both the left side and the right side will be symmetrical to each other through the maximum value. And same thing happens on the curve up picture, where if you cut the picture through the minimum, there will be points matching each other, which are the highlighted point right here. Now notice how these two pictures does not show that there's matching points, but because there is a maximum value right here, and for the picture on the right, there's a minimum value right here. Both are still quadratic equation showing a curved line. So what exactly are the features of a quadratic equation graph? 1, it forms an arc that's either curved up or down. 2, the curve is called a parabola. And 3, the equation that you will write will be in the form of a times x squared plus b times x plus c. One last feature of the quadratic equation is that it always has an x squared in it. Okay, that's it for the lesson.